So our hair changes constantly, and sometimes I just like to air dry, but I used to have a lot more curl. So now what you're gonna see is embellished foam and naturally air dried. So I'm gonna start with a pump. I like to do a pump at a time, rub it through my hands, roots to ends. So I start in the front. Once I feel like I've gotten it on everything, I'm gonna do another pump because that's gonna get me into the back. So another full pump for the back. When I'm gonna air dry my hair, I wanna make sure that the product is on all of it, from roots to ends. Not only does embellish foam pump it up from the inside out, it also activates more wave and curl. You're gonna also notice that the frizz is not gonna be there because it's really gonna close that cuticle down. So we're gonna let this air out on its own. Look at it with the foam. I mean, that's a big difference.